Okay, I forgot the exact name of this room, but honestly, does it even matter when the bathtub looks like this? Welcome to one of the coolest spots in Penang. This is the Granite Luxury Hotel. It took us a while to figure out where we were going to stay. We went through booking.com and checked out all the listings, and this is the hotel we came up with. This is the Granite Luxury Hotel, and we're going to take you for a little walk through into the entry area and upstairs into our room. First thing we noticed, the staff. Seriously, so friendly. They were always there greeting us and ready to jump in if we needed absolutely anything. Walking straight into the room, you're hit with a massive open plan bathroom. Just take this in. There's a rainfall shower and a standalone porcelain bath. It's basically the main character of the suite. Check it out. Moving through the hall, you've got your dedicated coffee station, essential for those slow Penang mornings. The lounge area is also super sleek. This gold wall feature is such a vibe, and the couch was actually comfortable enough to hang out on. And then there's the bed. We were only here for 2 days, but man, we were thankful how cool and clean it was. The bed and the pillows, 10 out of 10 for comfort. There's no restaurant inside the hotel, but you're in the heart of the city. Heaps of amazing places to eat are just a short walk away. But check this out. Panning around the window, we were looking directly at the Rainbow Skywalk. You can literally see that dinosaur on the roof from here. It's such a unique Georgetown view. They left us a sweet welcome package too. Just in case you'd prefer something different for your pillow, check out the pillow menu. It was a short stay, but totally sweet. We can definitely recommend the Granite Luxury Hotel, and by the way, it is called the Luxury Room.